Before we explain evolution of human species in every detail, we need to know what Charles Darwin have written about evolution already in 19th century. Charles Darwin summarized his thesis on his famous book On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. In this book, Darwin used the term evolution only once. Instead, he was writing about gradual descent of living species from common ancestor. Although Darwin have written a whole book about evolution, his achievement on evolution can be explained in only two rules. That's what big science is usually about. Both of these rules are correct until today. First rule is that living species do evolve from common ancestor. That's true, but it was not Darwin's own achievement, as in his time and even before Darwin, many scientists already believed that living species do evolve over time. For example, French physician Lamarck have been talking about evolution long time before Darwin. Second rule that Darwin introduced is that the mechanism that drives evolution forward is called natural selection, or how it is sometimes explained, survival of the fittest. This is where Darwin ended his work on evolution. He was unable to explain anything more about evolution. In following videos, we will see that neither Darwin nor anyone else in 19th century has the slightest chance to explain the evolution in finest details. Nevertheless, the Darwin's principle of natural selection is correct. But instead of being explanation of what is hiding behind evolution, natural selection is more the description of the evolutionary process itself. And that's it. There is nothing more to say about Darwin's work. If you don't believe me, read Darwin's book On the Origin of Species. Last century brought no real progress in understanding evolution of living species. If some biologists or geneticists tell you something different, they are wrong. But this is what we have to explain in the following videos. Wait for it to see how wonderful thing human evolution is. I will teach you how to understand every single detail of it.